OnePlus 6T doesn't come with a headphone jack, and so OnePlus had to come up with a headphone with Type C connector. Not that it has launched a normal one for any of its previous phones, but now with OnePlus 6T in your pocket, you're left with very little options if you want to use a wired headphone. The good thing is, Type C Bullets, as OnePlus calls them, are not very expensive Type C headphones at 1500 rupees. But are they any good? Let's find out in this video. At first glance, the OnePlus Type C Bullet earphones look boring with an all black look and generic styling. But OnePlus has kept the design quite simple, like its smartphones, which make them a delight to use. The wire is long, so you get a lot of room to move your phone about, and there's an inline remote, volume controls and play pause button, but they're not split apart to make separate buttons. Next, the earbuds are extremely comfortable to use. They don't tire your ears even on prolonged usage. The left-right marking is clearly done, so you don't struggle with that. The earbuds are also quite stable in the ear and don't come off so easily. Hidden deep inside the box, OnePlus includes a small and large pair of buds to find your fit, but there is no extra pair on any of these sizes, so if you lose them, you need to buy more or use a different size. Bullets Wireless is compatible with previous generation of OnePlus smartphones, but you will need to change a few settings to start using them. In fact, it is also compatible with other smartphones that have a Type C port. Talking about performance, OnePlus Type C Bullets are pretty impressive for their price. They're one clear pair of headphones with amazing capability to reproduce mids and highs, and they're also very loud. But if you love bass, you will be disappointed. The Type C Bullets lack thump, and many of the songs fall flat because of that, especially hip hop and rock songs. The wireless Bullets were much better in this regard. For pop music, soft Bollywood or romantic songs, the Type C Bullets work well. Soft rock or punk rock also works well to a great extent. So overall, at 1500 rupees, Type C Bullets are a great option if you're not looking to buy wireless headphones. But if you can extend your budget and charging your phone doesn't really seem like a big task to you, we recommend you buy the Bullets Wireless instead. Do let us know what you think about the Type C Bullets in the comment section below, and if you've liked this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on technology, smartphones and other gadgets like this. Thank you for watching.